How to connect PlayStation account to Marvel Rivals account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. To connect your PlayStation or PS5 account to your Marvel Rivals account, follow the steps. So for that, you have to open your favorite web browser and then go to marvelrivals.com, type in the search box and then hit enter. You will be taken to the official website of Marvel Rivals. Click on the login button in the top right corner of the screen that is beside the download option. Tap on it. You will hear the game sound and you can mute it if needed. From the various options that is displayed on the screen, click on PS5. You can find it between Xbox Series and NetEase games. Tap on it. Then you will be redirected to the official PlayStation website. Enter your email address in this box. Click on Next and then enter your password of your PlayStation to connect your PS5 to Marvel Rivals. So this was all about it. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive updates on our new uploads. Thank you for watching.